When pigs fly, exploring impossibilities in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and humorous phrase you might encounter in English conversations: when pigs fly. This expression is a colorful way to talk about things that are impossible or highly unlikely to happen. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, "when pigs fly," is used to express skepticism or disbelief that a particular event will ever happen. It's similar to saying, "that will never happen," or, "in a million years." The imagery of pigs flying, which is a physical impossibility, adds a humorous touch to the expression, making it more memorable and engaging. For example, if someone says, "I'll clean my room when pigs fly," they're humorously indicating that they have no intention of cleaning their room anytime soon. While the exact origin of "when pigs fly" is unclear, it's part of a long tradition of using absurd imagery to highlight impossibilities. Similar expressions have been found in various cultures and languages, dating back centuries. This shows how people love to use vivid and imaginative language to make a point. The phrase captures the human love for exaggeration and the absurd, making it a favorite in both casual conversations and literature. "When pigs fly" is best used in informal settings among friends or in humorous writings. It's a light-hearted way to express doubt or to politely dismiss someone's overly optimistic or unrealistic suggestion. Here are a few examples of how to use it. "He says he'll start his own business when pigs fly. Well, I guess we shouldn't hold our breath. They said they'd lower the prices when pigs fly. So, don't expect a discount anytime soon." Remember, while it's a funny expression, the context and the relationship with the listener are important to avoid misunderstanding. English is rich with expressions of improbability and skepticism. Similar phrases include, "when hell freezes over," and "on the 12th of never." Each of these expressions conveys a strong doubt about something happening, but with its own unique flavor and imagery. Exploring these variations can enrich your vocabulary and help you appreciate the creativity of the English language. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, "when pigs fly," and how it adds color and humor to the English language. This expression is a great example of how language can be fun and expressive, making even the concept of impossibility something to smile about. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and maybe one day, seeing improvement in your English won't feel like it needs pigs to fly.